Hi guys, so today we're going to be reviewing Vajirao IAS Academy, which is located in Delhi. And for doing so, we're going to be visiting the website blog.our-education. So this website is actually one of the oldest websites and one of the most trusted websites to give honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center across India. And not only that, they also give consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justdial and Sulekha. I searched that this website was around 11 years old, so it is a very credible website. And they do a lot of research before giving their ranking to any website. They look at a lot of parameters. So Vajirao IAS Academy, so this is their review that are given by students who have studied in this institution. You can see both positive and negative reviews listed on this page. So one student says that they test your mental strength and patience, and also they said that this institute has very good teachers and staff, and they provide them with support, advice and guidance, which is so important. And also another student says that they owe their entire success to this institute and that they have excellent teaching staff again. So their teaching staff is praised a lot. So Vajirao and Reddy IAS Academy is one of the leading institutes, and it is situated in Agra, Delhi. And it was founded in the year 1989. So it has been around for more than 3 decades, and it is ranked number 3rd among the top 5 institutes. And also they provide classroom courses, and also they provide online courses as well for those, and they provide like distance learning programs for those who don't live in Delhi. They can always get the benefits of this academy by enrolling in their distance learning programs. They also have test series, their mock test series, and they supply printed notes, and they have periodic mock tests as well. So these are the courses that they offer. So they provide you with classroom courses, with postal courses, test series, interview guidance, current affairs class. Now current affairs class is so important because, and not many institutes offer this. Some institutes, the top institutes, offer handouts of the current affairs that were present in like the newspapers and all of that. So they do the work for you. And because in these exams, knowing what is happening like politically is so important. So the thing that they are like taking like special emphasis on current affairs, that they are even keeping a class about current affairs, is so impressive. And they also have influential sessions, and they have so these are all the subjects that they offer. The optional subjects: geography, public administration, sociology, political science and IR, history, and so on. They also have English and Hindi medium courses, and they have interview guidance as well for IAS and PCS preparation, as well as essay writing. So essay writing is not easy for everyone, so they have special coaching for, and they give you like special tips for writing essays. So yeah, and these are the contact details of Vajirao IAS Academy. This is their address, their contact number, their fees. So their fees is really high, 1,98,500 rupees for their complete course, but I feel like this is high compared to the other institutes that we have seen. However, it might be worth it because they also have a very low batch size. Their batch size is just 40 students per batch, and we saw that they have such a good ranking, and the rank number 1 and 2, those two institutes have a really large batch size. So they have around 500 students in a batch and all. So this is really good compared to that, and this will ensure that it's not very crowded and it's not noisy, the classes are not noisy, and that the student and the teacher can pay attention to each and every student. Also they have very good faculty. The faculty members are praised by all of the students. So yeah, I hope this was helpful to you all, and if it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video with all of your friends who are also going to take up these exams in the future. Thank you so much for watching.